And I think it's very important that through teamwork, through interpersonal skills, which are very crucial for problem solving, for critical thinking, I think that is very, very important and critical for the development of society. And I think through the resilience of the women folk, for being empowered, being educated, being provided those platforms, I think it is remarkable, and it can definitely not just be nationally also, but also internationally, because I think once a woman is empowered, no matter what region, what country, what segment of the society she is representing the global woman of the era. And I think globally also we need to play a major role, and I request all women wherever I go, especially the empowered women, that it is our responsibility of the empowered women of the world to speak up for the most vulnerable women and segments of the world and marginalized communities. And look at Ahid Tamimi, I mean, like the champion of Palestine, that young girl, how she resisted. She also has dreams of having a safe future, just like Asifa in Indian occupied Kashmir. And one of the youngest victims, Hiba, of pellets, was an 18-month-old baby girl. And we have Asya Andrabi Sahiba. We've seen that women have, I think, proven to the world that we are no less than men, but yes, there's no battle between us. And I think with this harmony, if we go forward and respect one another, I think we can achieve a lot of things. And coming to the current tenure that I am heading right now on women empowerment especially, I think I would like to mention a few points as well, that the federal and provincial governments have set up helplines to combat gender-based violence, including MOHR helpline 1099, provincial commissions on the status of women helpline 1043, KPK Bolo helplines, and Sindh Women Development Department helpline 1094. Telepsychosocial support services have been initiated to support women survivors of violence by several provincial stakeholders, including Department of Social Welfare, Special Education, Women Empowerment KPK, and Women Development Department Punjab, in collaboration with the UN bodies and the NGOs. Similarly, women protection and rehabilitation centers are working at the federal, provincial, and district level, providing early response to victims of violence, and also to provide medical, legal, psychological support and rehabilitation services. Child Protection Institute and bureaus established at the federal, provincial level provide protection to children, especially girls, from all forms of violence, including physical, mental, neglect, maltreatment, exploitation, and abuse. And one last thing that I would like to say is that since I mentioned that during our short tenure, inshallah ta'ala, we have initiated national policy on ending violence against women. Zero draft has been prepared and finalization is in progress with technical assistance of UN Women. And you'll be very proud that we have a huge team of female professors